All right. So the first thing over here we've got is multiply the 4 by 2 and multiply the 2 by 2. So that becomes 4 over 8. The second fraction we keep exactly the same. And now we can add the numerators. So 4 plus 3 becomes 7. And we just keep the 8 at the bottom and we're done. So the first thing is to create some kind of equivalent fraction. We notice that the denominators are not the same. So we change it so that they can be the same. So that's why we multiply by 2. Do the same thing at the top, getting us 4 over 8, which is an equivalent fraction. And because the denominators are the same, we can now add the numerators, which gets us 7. And we keep the denominator 8 at the bottom. Okay. For the next question, 2 will just straightforward multiply by 3. So when we're multiplying fractions, we just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. And because we're doing that, we can cancel as well. So there's two ways of looking at this. I mean, you could solve it like this. 2 times 3 over 4 times 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 8 is 32. And if I divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, I'll get 3 over 16. And on this side, over here, the other possibility is I write 2 times 3 over 4 times 8. 2 goes into 4 twice. And I'm left with 3 at the top, and 2 times 8 is 16. And you can see the answers are the same. Here we're canceling. And here we simply just multiplying and simplifying. Multiply and then simplify over here. Question 3, tip and times. We tip the right fraction over, so that becomes 8 over 3, and we change division into times. We then back here again. We can either do this method or we can go with this method. 2 times 8 is 16, 4 times 3 is 12. Both of these numbers divide by 4. That's 4 over 3, and we're done. Final answer there. Alright, so that's addition, multiplication,